First of all, you have to understand what the fight is about. Fight is not about politics. That is superficial. What is your name? Brother, yeah, with the turban? What is your name? Balinder Singh. The fight is about whether he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear his turban in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be allowed to wear a kada in India. Or he, as a Sikh, is going to be able to go to a Gurdwara. That's what the fight is about. And not just for him. For all religions. Fight is also about, I can see here in the crowd, people from Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana. I can see all these people. Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Right? So now, see, when I say Kerala, now, see, I've been a member of parliament for Kerala. So when I say Kerala, first Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh now. So first when you don't understand these things, you say Kerala is just a simple word. Or you say Punjab, simple word. But these are not simple words. This is your history, your language, your tradition, your entire imagination is in these words. And what the RSS is basically saying is that certain states are inferior to other states, certain languages are inferior to other languages, certain religions are inferior to other religions, certain communities are inferior to other communities. This is what the fight is about. We are of the opinion that whether you are from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, all of you have your history, all of you have your tradition, all of you have your language, and every single one of them is as important as any other one. So how can you, the people from Tamil Nadu who are sitting here, what would you do if somebody told you cannot speak Tamil? How would you feel? How would you react? That is the ideology of the RSS.
And he was either a private citizen or a member of parliament. शब्दों का इस्तेमाल नाप तोल कर करना was never his strong point. अगर आप बैठे और जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं ओवर द इयर्स उनको कुलेट करें तो उसमें कई इंटरेस्टिंग बातें निकलती हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हिज स्टेटमेंट्स वुड बी दैट शायद कुछ इश्यूज पे उनको समझ नहीं है और वो he speaks out of either ignorance or a lack of understanding or knowledge. But of late मैं देख रहा हूं कि he is not in that mode. कुछ ऐसे issues हैं sensitive which involve our national, our unity, the strength of our unity in diversity. इन चीजों के बारे जब वो बयान देते हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक नया which I think is a dangerous narrative उसको सेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. अब उन्होंने इस यात्रा के दौरान he obviously had RPG audience of people wearing turbans. Of the blue he says कि भारत में Sikh community has a certain anxiety that they cannot टर्बन और कड़ा पहनने में मुश्किलात है उनको. Now, I've been wearing a turban for over 6 decades, over 60 years at least, and I've been wearing a kara even for much longer after that. And I'm not only a proud Sikh, but of the fact that this government has gone out of its way to address the issues of concern to the Sikh community, and I don't think the Sikhs have felt safer and more honored than at any time in 1947.
देश दुनिया की हर खबर सबसे पहले देखने के लिए फॉलो करें दैनिक सवेरा टीवी, यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, एक्स और व्हाट्सएप चैनल पर।